And now I'm going to show how to use a backup file from a previous Moodle server and restore it to Moodle 2.6. First, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and go over to the administration block in the lower left of the window. This block used to be called Settings in previous versions of Moodle. I'm going to choose to restore this course. I want to point out that you also have the option to import, but importing allows you to move course information between courses that are both on the same server, so it won't let you take a backup file from another server and move it forward. If you want to do that, you want to click Restore. And here you can upload your backup file that you've already downloaded from another place. I have mine here in my Downloads folder. And I'm just going to drag it into this area here and wait for it to upload. And then I'll click Restore. The first thing that this will do is present you with information about what's in this backup file, including all of the activities that might be included and whether or not there's any user data in that file. I just created this backup file recently, so I'm going to skip to the bottom of this page using the End key on my keyboard, and I'm going to say Continue. Here I get a couple of options. Most of the time you want to merge this backup into the course where you started from. Occasionally you may want to delete everything that's already in this course and start over. But when you do that, it also removes all of the users from the course, including yourself. So you probably want to let somebody else do that if you need that to have done. Or you can also choose another existing course that you may have on this server to restore to. Since I started out in my empty course where I want the information to go, I'm just going to say merge into this course and click the continue button right here. I definitely want to include all of the activities, blocks, and filters that are included in this backup file. Nothing else is included, so I'm going to click Next. And here I have some options. I can choose to overwrite the existing course settings on this new course with the information from the backup file, but most of the time I don't want to do that. So I'm going to leave that set as No. And here I can choose to not import certain items or only import certain sections at a time. I'm going to not import the news form because Moodle already gives me a news form in the new news course, and I don't want to have two of them. Again, I'm going to use the End key to move to the bottom of the page and say Next. And then we get a review screen where you can review all of the choices that you made. Again, I'll hit End and then click Perform Restore. The restore may take several seconds or it may take several minutes depending on how large the course is, how many items you have in there, and things like that. You'll see this progress bar move across the screen to give you an idea of how long it's going to take. When everything's finished, you'll get a green message that says the course was restored successfully. Then click Continue, and you'll be taken to your new course page.